Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Technical ArCoAn, myself Arnab Kundu. Also welcome to another video in our AI tool series. Okay, in today's video we are going to explore Grok AI, an intelligent AI assistant developed by xAI. Okay, also we will learn what Grok AI is, its key features, who developed it, and most importantly, how to use it. So let's get started. Hello friends, welcome to my channel Technical ArCoAn. Today we will explore Grok AI, an intelligent AI assistant developed by xAI. Also we will learn step by step how to use it. Okay, so at first we should know what is Grok AI. Grok is an AI assistant developed by xAI. It functions as a multi-purpose chatbot that answers questions, generates code, creates images, videos, and handles automated tasks. Means the Grok AI is a multimodal AI tool, right? It is integrated with the X, formerly known as Twitter platform, right? Who developed Grok AI? Developed by xAI, founded by Elon Musk, company established in 2023. First Grok model released in November 2023, right? Key features: answer questions, generate text, brainstorming ideas, write emails, coding assistance, and image generation. Okay, so let's move to the Grok website and explore its interface, and also we'll see how it works in real time, right? So now I'm just within the Google and just type here Grok AI, just press enter. Whatever the first link is given as a search is concerned, just click on that link. Okay, so before entering within that Grok interface, at first we need to sign in, and I just sign in with my Google account. Okay, so just log in with Google, and it will take some time to log in and also do some steps for give the permissions, and after we log in within the Grok website, okay, accept all cookies, and it just completing the sign-in process because I am using Google account for the Grok is concerned. Okay, so now just see, this is the Grok website homepage, and this left side, this is known as the navigation menu. Okay, and this is the prompt, same like a ChatGPT. And here we just write our prompt, and on that basis it will give the result. Okay, and if you go for the upgradation, so just click into this upgrade. There are lots of options there. Super Grok, if you want to go for this tariff, it is 700 rupees per month. If you go for the Super Grok Heavy, then $300 per month, right? So we just go for the free version. So this is the prompt area, and we put the prompt at first. Okay, and we already told this Grok is actually integrated with the X, so that's why given that connect your X account. Okay, we just dismiss it, and now we give the first prompt is concerned, just write in that way: explain artificial intelligence in simple language for beginner. So we just put this prompt at first. So please confirm your age. So we just confirm for the age is concerned. So just write here, suppose 1988, and continue and save it for the birth year is concerned. So now the prompt is already given. Now it's thinking and it generates the result very fast. The ChatGPT is one type of response is given. The Grok is given in different way. Means very fast the response is given. like that. Artificial intelligence is a simple word for beginner. What is AI? AI is when machines are made to do things that normally need human intelligence. In that way, they give the all documented part, whatever the queries were given. Okay. Now for the second query is concerned, now go for the another query in different topic. Suppose we just write in that way, write a letter, write a professional letter, professional leave application for 2 days. Just write this prompt and press enter. Now it will generate the result. So it just generate the result in that format, whatever the request given within that. And if you want a Word file, so give in a Word file. So then it generate the content within the Word file directly. So don't need to copy paste of the content and go to the Word document is concerned. It directly generate the doc file, and the doc file contain the letter. Okay, so that's what the thinking about your request, and run the command in behind and then generate the doc file for whatever the leave applications were given. They're already given in the documented format, but now I need this in a documented format in a Word file. So just see the give in a Word file. If we download it, so we got the result. And if we just modify into there, because we already know whatever the AI we are using, weak AI or the narrow AI, is not 100% accurate. So it's used for the assistant purpose. So whatever the result they're given, we just modify that, and it needs the human surveillance. Okay, but the result is very fast. These need for using this type of generative AI, and this type of generative AI model we are using why? For getting the result very fast, right? But we need the human surveillance, because these all AI tools are the weak or narrow AI, because we are living in the era of narrow AI or weak AI, right? Now go for the third prompt. We just write in that way. We want a coding, means we want a code generation for Python code is concerned. So just write in that way, write a Python code to check whether a number is prime or not. Simple this prompt and press enter. So it generate also the code for Python program is concerned. Just see, it generate the code. You can copy it and just go for any Python IDE, paste it, and you can run on that respects. Means it can generate the code also very fast. Okay. Now we already told the Grok AI is a multimodal, means it can create the image. Now we put such a prompt. Through this, it can generate AI images, right? So we just write in that way, generate a futuristic AI robot, okay, working in a modern high-tech laboratory. This is the prompt, okay, and just press enter. Now it generates the image, because it's a multimodal AI tool, right? So that's why it's a multimodal AI model for Grok AI is concerned. So just see, it generates very few seconds a futuristic AI robot actually working in a modern high-tech laboratory, right? I hope you have understood how the Grok AI works, right? Now go for the last prompt. We already know the Grok AI is integrated with X, means formerly the Twitter platform. So we have put some prompt or query which are related to this X handler or formerly Twitter platform is concerned. Okay, so just write in that way, what are the top trending technology topics on X right now? Just put a question mark and press enter. Now it's search within this X handler or within this formerly the Twitter platform, and after that it will give the result. Means they are given here are the top trending technology topics on X right now as of July 2026, and give that top tech trends on X, AI agents and agentic AI, the multimodal AI, already told about the multimodal AI, image and video generation, AI optimization and compute the efficiency, embodied AI and robotics, AI in science and biology, like that. I hope you have understood how Grok AI works and different type of prompt we are given in different field, different type of data we want as a result, either image or text or letter or coding, and it perfectly do the job as give as an answer and very fast, right? I hope you have understood today's topic. If you have some doubts for today's video is concerned, just write in the comment section. I will try to solve this problem. Those who are still not subscribe my channel, please subscribe it. Keep watching Technical ArCoAn. For more AI tools video will come very soon. So today up to this. Thank you and bye bye.